Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fine-tune Deepseek Coder. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Fine-tuning Deepseek Coder or any other language model involves training the model further on your specific dataset to better adapt it to your desired tasks and or domains such as code completion, bug fixing or other coding related tasks. Now the first step is to install required libraries. Ensure you have all the necessary libraries installed. You'll need transformers, datasets and PyTorch. And then step 2 is to prepare your dataset. Fine-tuning a model requires a well-structured dataset. For Deepseek Coder, your dataset should consist of code snippets, functions or programs in the programming language you are targeting. Step 3 is to load pre-trained Deepseek Coder model. Use the pre-trained model from Hugging Face to fine-tune on your dataset. And then step 4 is to pre-process your dataset for training. The dataset must be tokenized before feeding it to the model. Use Hugging Face tokenizer to pre-process the data into the appropriate format. And step 5 is to set up training configurations. Configure the training process. You'll use Hugging Face Trainer API to make training easier. Step 6 is to train the model. Now that everything is set up, begin fine-tuning process by calling the train method on the trainer. And step 7 is to save the fine-tuned model. After training, save your model so you can use it later. And then step 8 is to evaluate and use the fine-tuned model. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.